today I'm not going to talk about any tip or trick to improve your English language or public speaking. Rather, I am going to talk about the mindset of a learner. How does one learn to speak better English, and how does one learn to speak better on the stage? Question number one. Are you committed to learning? Are you committed to improve your English language today, tomorrow? Well, today will be a better idea. And question number second. Till what level below can you go to improve the same? You see, I watched a movie yesterday, My Fair Lady. What happens in the movie that there is this girl who sells flower at the street, and if she gets picked up by, of course, on a bet by a phonetic expert, a professor, and he says that I want to make a duchess out of this woman, this flower girl. And while he was training her, the phonetic, the A, he kept on asking Eliza, it is A, and she kept on saying it is A. He kept on asking Eliza, it is O, and she kept on saying ow. So see, it's really, really tough to train oneself until unless you're committed to it. So one day the professor asked her that, why do you want to learn? She said that I want to sell flower in a shop. Then he tells her that, do you know how your life is going to be improved if your English is better? What all kind of jobs can you get if you speak better English? If your phonetic is really improved? She doesn't understand in one go, second, third, and then one day she understands how her life is going to be uplifted for the betterment of her own. And automatically, in no time, she starts speaking better. Of course, it was a training. Sometimes 24 hours of training by the professor to the girl, right? And then one day, just by focusing to the point that she wants to improve her life, her career, she wants to be respected by the people, She wants the same respect as most of the duchess get outside. So there, automatically she started speaking, what do we call that? The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain, and earlier it used to be the rain in Spain mainly stays in the plain. You see, it needs commitment. So are you committed? Ask yourself a right question. Why am I learning language? Why do I want to improve my public speaking? Is it going to uplift my life, my career, my business in one or the other way? If your answer is yes, ask another right question. The question I asked you at the beginning, can I get started from the very basic, because that's what it takes? Can I get started learning the letters of alphabet again? If yes, well, brother and sister, you are on the right path. Start learning from the basic if it requires. If this is what it takes, it's fine. Give it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Until next time, see you.